Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be putting on these salvia. Some of you had asked for a catch-up video, see what's happening next. So what I'm going to do is get my nice dibber. What I'm going to do is go gently underneath like so. Lift them out. That's got a nice root system to it, that. If there's a little bit too much compost in, because you're not expecting it that many roots, don't worry. Just like so. And then gently keep them in the middle. And then give them a tap down like so. That's number one. Just get underneath like so. That's a nice lot there. Oh, you can see this fine. There's one. You can stick that one on there. Just gently prise them apart. You don't want to be too rough with them. The one on top there. That was a tiny one, but that'll survive. Yeah, like so. Just gently tease them apart. There. And there's a nice one there that's got a lovely root system in. Like so. All you do then, take them like so. Take a bit of compost out. You don't want to. You can touch them by these top leaves, by the bottom leaves, but you don't want to damage them. So be very careful with them. Because don't forget, the leaves, or how it feeds itself, turns sunlight into food and energy. That's that one done. It's a peat-based compost. You can use peat-free, but I find it's a little bit more expensive, and I don't think anything can substitute the quality that you get from peat, moisture retention, and the air that you get in the soil. Really good. Just do a few more. And these will go back into my heated greenhouse on the top shelf. I'll start feeding them once a week, these now. Yeah, as you can see, really nice. Once these are all potted on, I shall water them from the top and then put them in a tray until they're wet all the way through. This one might not survive, but waste not want not. Don't want to damage it. Yes, salvias, really nice plants. Salvia hot lips is one that I do want, but I can't seem to find any seeds for that. I can't find plenty of people selling the plants. I would love to be able to get hold of some salvia hot lip seeds. If anybody's out there got any, please message me, and I'd love to get hold of some of those. But yeah, as you can see, gently, gently, gently. Ah, there you go. You will, don't matter how careful you are, you will end up damaging some and breaking some, but there's nothing you can do about that. I mean, there's two here that are that close together. I'm not going to risk ripping them apart. Grow them on together. Just one more. But yeah, if you have any questions on how to grow anything in my videos, please just message me and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. And hopefully I can help you. But yeah, gardening is a great way of relaxing. I absolutely love it. Spend hours potting on, weeding. But yeah, that's my salvias. I digress. How to put them on. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Bye.